1-2, order of operations and evaluating expressions. Number 1 says, find the value of the expression. So we have 8 squared. When you have an exponent, it means you take the bottom number, the base, and multiply it to itself the number of times the exponent says. This exponent is 2, so we multiply 8 to itself twice. So 8 times 8 is going to be 64. And that's number 1. Number 2 says to evaluate. So let's take a closer look at that. When you have a fraction being raised to a power, you can raise both the numerator and the denominator to that power. So we'll have 2 squared over 5 squared. 2 squared is 4, and 5 squared is 25. Now reduce this if you can, which in this case we can't, so we just type that in as the answer. So let's do that. So 4 over 25 is number 2. Number 3, evaluate the expression below for x equals 5 and y equals 4. So let's take a closer look at that. So what we need to do is substitute 5 in for x and 4 in for y. So doing that gives me 5 squared plus 2 times 5 plus 4. Now order of operations says we do the parentheses first. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Then we do the exponent, which is 5 squared, so 5 squared is 25. So we have 25 plus 2 times 9. Now we do multiplication, which is 2 times 9, which is 18. And 25 plus 18 equals 43. So let's type that in. So we type in 43, and that's number 3. Number 4, it says to evaluate 7 to the third. So that means you will multiply 7 to itself 3 times. So 7 times 7 times 7 is 343. And that's number 4. Going to number 10, it says simplify the following expression. So let's take a closer look at that. So for this one, we have to use order of operations. And when you have a bracket, which is what these are, you do everything in the inside and work your way out. So we're going to start with 9 minus 5, which is 4. So we have 4 to the 5th divided by 8 still in the brackets. So 4 to the 5th is 1024. Divide that by 8, and you get 128, which times 2 gives you 256. So let's type that in. So 256 is number 10.